Have you ever wondered if your phone is ready to take advantage of faster 5G speeds? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable 5G on your phone in just a few simple steps. Whether you have a Samsung, Android or another compatible device, the process is quick and easy to follow. Go to the Settings app. This is where you can manage all of your network and device preferences. Next, scroll down and tap Connections. On some Android phones, this option may be called Network and Internet or SIM and Network, but the settings are very similar. Now tap Mobile Networks. Here you'll find the options that control how your phone connects to your mobile carrier. Look for Network Mode and tap on it. You'll see a list of available network types. Select the option that says 5G Preferred, 5G LTE, 3G 2G, Auto Connect, or another option that includes 5G. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone model and carrier. If your phone has two SIM cards, repeat the same steps for the second SIM. This ensures both SIM cards are set to use 5G whenever it's available. If you don't see a 5G option, don't worry. Your phone may not support 5G, your SIM card may need an upgrade, or your mobile carrier may not offer 5G service in your area yet. It's also worth checking that your software is fully updated, as updates sometimes add new network features. Once you've selected the correct network mode, simply exit the Settings app. Your phone will automatically connect to a 5G network whenever you're in an area with 5G coverage. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you enable 5G, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more quick, easy, and helpful tech tutorials.